Sum number 19, Manan Prakashan, Ainapure, SYBAF. DK Limited provides the following information. Projected annual material and labor cost of company is 7,20,000 and 5,40,000 respectively. These figures are given annually. So let us make the cost sheet annually first. So here we are going to start the cost sheet annually. Cost sheet. As the figures are given per year, we have to prepare a cost sheet annually, as well as the information is given in the month. So we can make the cost sheet in two ways, that is per month and per year. So let us do that. So first column will be particulars, then monthly figure and yearly figure. So this will be your particulars for cost sheet. Then yearly amount rupees, monthly amount rupees. Both we have to calculate yearly and monthly. Okay, let us start with it. First, normally we have to take material, labor and overheads. So first one is material. Just a moment. First one is material. Then labor or wages. And then overheads. So monthly, yearly figures for material and labor is given 7,20,000 and 5,40,000. So 7,20,000 and 5,40,000. About overheads, they have given nothing. So we have to find out it. Okay. So after overheads, we have to write here total cost, then profit, and then will be get selling price. Here we have not given the unit produce or selling price, but one information is given. As per the credit policy of company, debtors at selling price at 3 months credit will be 4,50,000. However, for working capital statement, investment in debtors to be considered at cost. So for working capital, we have to take the debtors at cost. But if the debtors are taken at selling price, what will be the debtors for 3 months? 4,50,000. So assume that all sales on credit basis, then debtors for 3 months equal to 4,50,000. Now, if we are going to assume that all sales are on credit basis. All sales are on credit basis. It means all debtors equal to sales. So that is sales for 3 months equal to 4,50,000. Now we can easily find out sales for 12 months. We have to prepare it for 12 months. Sales for 12 months equal to how much? So by the rule of cross multiplication, 4,50,000 into 12 divided by 3. So now calculate it. 4,50,000 into 12 divided by 3. So it will become 18 lakhs. So 18 lakhs will be the total sales per year. So here we have to write 18 lakhs. Now They have given information that company sells goods at 25% profit on cost. Profit on cost is given. So what we have to calculate? Let us assume cost equal to, let us assume cost equal to 100. So we have to add the profit equal to how much percent of cost they have given? 25%. So profit equal to 25% of 100, that is equal to 25. So our selling price will be, so our selling price will be 125. Now we know the selling price. Our selling price is 18 lakhs. How much will be the profit? 125 equal to 18 lakhs. How much equal to 25? So by the rule of cross multiplication, profit equal to 18 lakhs into 25 divided by 125. Now calculate it. 18 lakhs divided by 125 into 25. So it will become 3,60,000. 3,60,000. So our profit is 3,60,000. Here we are going to write the profit. Yearly profit is 3,60,000. Now 18 lakhs minus 3,50,000, 3,60,000. 18 lakh minus 3 lakh, 18 lakhs minus 3,60,000, that is equal to 14,40,000. So here we have to write 14,40,000 will be our total cost. From this 14,40,000, we have to deduct from this. So we have to calculate 14,40,000. 14,40,000 minus 7,20,000 minus 5,40,000. That is equal to 1,80,000 will be our overheads. Overheads we are calculate from 14,40,000 minus 7,20,000 minus 5,40,000. That is 1,80,000 will be our overheads. So here we have to write 1,80,000. So these all figures we got is for 1 year. Similar way, if the all figure is divided by 12, we will get monthly amount. How it is calculated? 7,20,000 divided by 12, that is equal to 60,000. Then 5,40,000. Then 5,40,000 divided by 12, that is equal to 45,000. Then 1,80,000 divided by 12, that is equal to 15,000. Again 14,40,000 divided by 12, that is equal to 1,20,000. Again 3,60,000 divided by 12, that is equal to 30,000. Again 18 lakhs divided by 12, that is equal to monthly sales will be 1,50,000. Once you got the cost sheet, let us start with the statement showing working capital required. So our next statement will be statement showing working capital required or requirements. Okay. So as usual, we have to draw the table for that. Particulars or for amount, 3 columns will be there. Particulars, amount rupees, amount rupees. For amount, we have to draw the 3 columns. Now let us start with the first Roman 1. What will be our Roman 1? Roman 1 will be current assets. Roman 1. Roman 1 will be our current assets. In current assets, A will be, in current assets, first A will be stock. Stock, again, there are 3 types of stock. Stock of raw material, stock of raw materials, then stock of WIP, stock of WIP, then the Roman 3 is stock of finished goods. Stock of finished goods. Now in WIP again we have to write the 3 things, that is material, labor and overheads. Material, labor, overheads. Let us complete the stock working first. In stock, first we have to write the stock of raw material. What information they have given? Production and sales as per the credit policy. Raw material number 5 देखो. Raw materials are in stock and an average for 1 month. So for 1 month raw material is 60,000. Monthly figure we got 60,000. So our calculation will be 1 month के लिए 60,000 into 1. So 60,000 into 1, how much? 60,000 again. So our figure will be, stock of raw material will be 60,000. Then for WIP, we have to see the work in progress. Yani process, we have to see the processing time. What is the processing time? Company says time lag in cash balance दिया है. What is the processing time? Cost of sales दिया है, projected दिया है, raw material, finished goods are in stock on an average half month, credit allowed by supplier 2 months, material remain in process, valued at cost of raw material plus 50% and labor and overheads on an average for 1 month. So our processing time is 1 month. Again, material for 1 month is 60,000 into 1 month into, we have to take it as 100%. So our answer will be same, that is 60,000. Now for labor, 1 month labor is 45,000. So we have to make the calculation. 45,000 into 1 month. But for labor, we have to take it as a 50%. So it will be 45,000 into 1 month into 50%. So calculate it, 45,000 into 1 into 50%. That is equal to 22,500. Again, overheads for 1 month is given 15,000. So it will be 15,000 into 1 month. 15,000 into 1 month into 50%. So 15,000 into 50%, that is equal to 7,500. Now make the total of these 3. That is 7,500. We have to write in the second column. That will be your total WIP. So 60,000 plus 22,500 plus 7,500. So our total WIP stock will be 90,000. Now about stock of finished goods. What they have mentioned, finished goods are in stock on an average for half month. So finished goods is calculated on total cost. So finished goods for 1 month is given, that is 1,20,000. So stock of finished goods will be 1,20,000 into half month, that means 0.5. So 1,20,000 into 0.5 and a half month equal to 60,000. Now make the total of stock. Our total of stock will be 60,000 plus 90,000 plus 60,000. So our total of stock will be 2,10,000. So in third column, we are going to write the total stock. That is 2,10,000. Now, after stock, we have to calculate room B, that is our debtors. B, debtors. Now they have mentioned that debtors to be calculated at cost for 3 months. So for monthly cost, so debtors are to be considered at cost price. What will be the cost for 1 month? 1,20,000, right? So 1,20,000 into 3. It will be 1,20,000 into 3 months. So total will be 3,60,000. Again, check the all adjustments are over or not. Cost of sales we have considered, production sales consider, credit policy we have already considered, raw material done, finished goods done, credit allowed by supplier 2 months, it is a liability. So material agreement in process done, company sales goods for 25% profit done, time lag in payment of wages and overheads liability. Again, cash or bank balance is 1,10,000. So cash or bank balance, C, cash and bank balance is 1,10,000. Now make the total of these three. This will be your total current assets. Now calculate total current assets. The total will be 2,10,000 plus 3,60,000 plus 1,10,000. That is equal to 6,80,000. Okay, this will be your total current assets. Now Roman 2 will be so Roman 2 will be current liabilities. Roman 2 will be current liabilities. In current liabilities, A will be creditors. A will be creditors. B, outstanding labor. And outstanding overheads. Now, creditors means supplier. What they have given the information about the supplier. Credit allowed by supplier is 2 months and relation of supplier is with the material. Material for 1 month is 60,000. So our creditors will be 60,000 into 2 months. That is equal to 1,20,000. Again, time lag in payment of overheads they have given. Time lag in payment of wages and overheads is 1 month. So for 1 month, labor is 45,000 and overheads is 15,000. So 45,000 into 1 month, 45,000 into 1 month, as well as 15,000 into 1 month. So it will be 45,000 and 15,000. 45,000, 15,000. Make the total of these. These will be your total current liabilities. Now make the total of these three. 1,20,000. Make the total of these three. 1,20,000 plus 45,000 plus 15,000, that is equal to 1,80,000. So now Roman 3, working capital 1 minus 1 minus 2. So 6,80,000 minus 1,80,000, that is equal to 5 lakh. But here one more adjustment they have given, that is margin of safety. So margin of safety is given 10%. So we are going to add margin of safety 10%. So margin of safety is 10% of 5 lakh, that is equal to 50,000. So what will be our net working capital? Here we have to write the name. Net working capital after margin of safety is 5,50,000. Net working capital after margin of safety is 5,50,000.